Hey everyone, my name is Mike Johnson, and I'd like to introduce you to my site called Websites Hosting and Domains. It's websiteshostingdomains.com. It's currently for sale on Flippa. Tell you a little bit about the site and about the background of how the site can help you make a lot of money. Now, this site's been registered for quite a long time. Um, it has a lot of age to it, which brings value in of itself. The keywords inherent in the site by itself show you the inherent value of the domain by itself is incredibly valuable. And if you take a look and go to Google and just type in websites, hosting, and domains, you would think that you're going to see, of course, the big names in the domain business, which is like GoDaddy, Network Solutions, .easy, Dotster, uh, Register.com. But look at the very bottom of the page here, and that is websiteshostingdomains.com. Now, if you do a little research, you'll see that I've built almost no backlinks to this domain whatsoever. Um, the site itself has had almost zero promotion, and currently it is still on page 1 of Google for some very, very tough keywords. All right. Free privacy protection, it's also up there as well. You can check that yourself. If you go to the site is built off of a template that Reseller Club, which is a domain seller for Directy, the largest domain seller in the world almost. And what you get with Directy is you get an interface that allows you to customize your site and provide a custom domain reseller option and sell domains, hosting, and website builder, email plans, digital certificates, you name it, you can do it. Now, you can see here, I have my own name servers. Now, do you have to do any of this? No, when you buy this, all this is going to be set up for you already. You are going to have access to this full account. The only thing you need to do is basically come in here, change the personal information, primary profile information, and also come in. If you go down here, you'll see there's finance and billing, and that's the payment collection settings. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer this full domain with all the current settings intact to you via GoDaddy. That is one of the things. If you're not a current GoDaddy.com member, where this website is currently registered, domain I should say, you're going to have to do that because it's important that these settings stay the same so that you can keep everything the same. Now, what you get here is this is the backdrop for your site. You get complete customer, product, and site control. It's really unlimited what you can do. You have all your products that you can manage. You can either manage them or not manage them at all. It really is self-sufficient. You can list all your customers out, which currently is over 85 customers. There's a few here you can see it were suspended, but over 85 customers currently in the site. But the most important thing for you is in the summary of the transactions on the site is currently over $2,500 in receipts for purchases made through this site, which gives you back to the pricing that you get for being an owner of this website. You get domain pricing at the slab 2 level. Now the slab 2 level here means that you've done over $1,499 in purchases, and as I've shown you, it's over $2,500 in purchases, which means the site is almost at the slab 3 level, which means that this site by itself is worth closing in on $3,000 just by virtue of this, because of the pricing that you get for domains. As you can see here, this is what you pay per domain. It's not what you charge your customers. For example, on the site itself right now, domains, you say .com is $8.89 and the domain is being sold for $9.95, which means you're only making $1 per. But domains is a bulk business. It's not a onesie and twosie businesses. People buy domains in bulk, and not to mention hosting and everything else here. And the pricing is entirely up to you. You can charge whatever you want, and then there's sales and everything. And back to the pricing tiers, you can see right now that Reseller Club is running sales where you can make even more off of your domain sales. And then your web hosting, you can see here for the unlimited web hosting, you're only getting charged $1.49 for the hosting. And this is on a the hosting's a per month, as you can see here. And email hosting as well. You can sell email hosting, digital certificates, and the website builder down here as well. You can sell all of this, and this is what you're charged, but you can charge your customers on top of this. All right, and make quite a bit of money. You can see that I've already made a substantial amount of money via this business. So going back into the site itself, you can see all the little things here. Every single thing on this page, to include the page source and the titles and everything that you get on the site, the logo and everything is completely customizable. All right, all you have to do is come in to your admin area here, and this is via as we were on our fund setting page. If I came into settings and I just scroll down and I want to modify my control panel, I want to modify my super site and partner site, the two different sites that you can modify. You have the super site, which is your site that I was showing you, and then you have your partner site. And what's a partner site? The partner site is another branch of this where you can actually have sub resellers underneath you that you can have them selling products for you. You give them a pricing tier that they have to achieve, just like you have to achieve. And then you make money from their sales as well. So it's really a two-tiered setup built into your own business. And this truly is a business that if you're doing this, you need to really shut down everything else, because this can become a serious full-time business. All right, but you can go in here and click on your customize your super site, as I've already opened the window, and you can manage, and you can see edit theme logo and create multiple themes in here, manage your site, change everything. I mean everything. You just look at the all the different pages and whatnot you can change in here. You can manage all your meta tags, your titles for complete search engine optimization. You can add additional pages. You can modify the home page. Everything here, I mean, gets in here. You can modify and work with everything down inside each and every page. You can modify the content. You can change the menus. You can do literally everything you could possibly dream of. Have links out to your other sites, promote other content, do advertising. There's literally no limits to what you can do with this website. And it's really, really easy to use. And if you have a question on how to manage your site, all you have to do is go into the Reseller Club knowledge base, and everything that you need to do here is listed out in explicit detail, and they have an incredible response time on support. It's excellent. You're going to have full access to my account. I'm going to transfer my account to you. I'm going to transfer the website to you and transfer the domain name and all the settings to you with this auction. All right, and that's the end of this video. And I hope you learned a little bit about websites, hosting, domains.